So it's, you know, it's getting there, but now
Well,
it's a little bit tight this morning.
what we're gonna do, we're not gonna cheat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this in here. Perfect.
Okay.
Now try not to scoot forward.
Oh,
If anything, you can scoot back. That's good right there, right there. Okay, so there's a couple ways to work on that. What does that feel like right now?
not much. There's nothing really going on. So, at least it doesn't feel like it. Except it's not as straight as it was Wednesday.
Yeah, well, with the heel propped up like that, it's gonna be a lot harder.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
So there's really two ways to work on getting the extension here.
Okay.
One is,
Put some weight on it.
yeah, you just put a little cuff weight. These are 2.5 pounds, I think.
Okay.
What does that feel like?
Well, I feel just a little stretch. Just
Okay.
a little.
So that's one option.
Right.
And you can do that at home with
Sure.
whatever.
I grab the dog and sit
That's
him.
right, that's right.
He weighs 10 pounds.
The one that I like a little bit better is a little elastic wrap.
Put a little tension on it.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over. Let me get a little more. Now, I like to go just below or just above.
Okay.
I don't necessarily want to put pressure right on the knee.
Right.
And the thing is, if it's too aggressive,
Oh,
your
that's
body's just naturally going to resist.
That's a new kneecap, right? Goes
Yeah.
with the knee. Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
the underneath side.
All right. Yeah.
What does that feel like?
Now, there's a little more pressure there.
Okay.
I feel a little more pressure.
I'm going to reset. Well, let's go right now. It's 76
Okay.
on the clock.
Okay.
We're going to go to 80. So
All
it's
right.
4 minutes.
4 minutes right here.
And if it starts to get uncomfortable, what you do is you try to bend the knee so it's almost like you lift it up
Like that,
and then
yeah.
relax. Lift it up and relax. And so
Obviously, that
when
makes a
you
difference,
drive
yeah,
the
yeah.
heel down
Yeah.
to lever the knee up, it takes some of the pressure
It
off,
does. I can feel that immediately.
but it also helps improve the stretch. So like if I was just gonna do a rough measure, it's about 3 fingers of space under there. We'll come back and check it in 4 minutes.
3.5 inches.
Yeah.
Or 1.5 inches.
Yeah.
1.5 inches.